So for the buttons, let's put them inside the row. So let's row which returns the children, and then let's have a widget here. So we'll say widget. So we've created these similar buttons inside our profile. If we go to our profile screen, this something like this, but now we need the number to be this side and then an icon here. So if we come back here and then let's see where we are getting that button, we put it inside our, let's check in the utility. Yes, so this is the button that we created. So let's copy this, then let's close utility. Then the first child will be that button. So now here, instead of a column, let's put it into a row, and then the value, let's first of all hard code this like to 5, and then the style, let's minimize our emulator. Let's not give it the font size. Let's also remove the font weight. We can just leave the color, and then we leave this, but we change this to width. And then the second child, let's have the icon. So let's have the icon, which comes from icons.favorite. Let's say favorite outline like this, and then that's it. So we have a row, and then the first child is this material button. So now let's get the second child. So we have a material button which ends up to here. Let's copy this, and then let's paste it again here. Here we are going to have maybe 20, and then let's have a icon as a comment. So let's bring up our application and then see if this will work, but let's also give the icons a color. Let's give it a color, and then let's also give this a color. Let's hot restart. Okay, there we have it, but now we're overflowing. So to fix this, let's try to wrap both of these into an expanded, this one as well. We come back here and then click on this bulb, and then let's have an expanded. Let's hot restart. Okay, our error is gone. So now this is what we want to have. So we can also put like inside here an image for the sender. If we want, we can do that, or we can leave it like this. So the next thing to do now is we need to move all of this into one widget. So let's see if we can do that, so that we can here we have a much cleaner look. So let's click on here first. Let's come down here, and then let's click in front of the padding here, click here, and then let's say not like that. Let's highlight this and then right click, and then let's come down to refactor, and then let's extract a method. So we can't extract this. Let's try to extract a widget. Extract the Flutter widget. So we can extract a widget. So let's call this like post widget. Post widget like that, and then let's refactor. So now we have put this inside the widget, which is a statelet widget, but we can pass the theme, but we can avoid maybe passing the theme. Let's just pass the post data, because the color and the theme we can just get them inside here. So let's copy these two things here, and then paste them here. We don't need, so which means we don't need to pass these, the theme and the color. Let's just pass the post snapshot. So maybe we can call it as it's fine, we can call it like that. Let's remove this theme from here, and let's remove the color. Then we can do the same, we can remove it from here, we can also remove it from here. And then for the snapshot, let's change it from this list query snapshot to the objective. Let's remove this and let's pass it as dynamic like that. Okay, and then next is since we are passing it as dynamic here, so let's come back here and then let's pass the index. It should be like this: post data at that index. Maybe let's also change the naming here. Let's change this to post data. Let's copy it and then paste it here and here. So here where we are saying post snapshot at index, let's remove all this and put our post data. Where else? So here we need to put post data. Instead of, we put it here, and then here let's put this post snapshot like that. So I hope this is clear. We have put this post widget inside the widget, which means now we can cut it from here. Let's cut it, then go inside widgets here. Let's have let's create a dat file. Let's name it as a post widget. We can just import the material.dat here and then paste our post widget here. Let's just import the packages. Okay, and then let's go back to post screen and just import our post widget. Let's first remove this and use the importation. can remove this unused imports, and then let's start the application again. Let's go to our post screen. Okay, the application is running without errors. Maybe let's also try in our dark theme. Come to our post screen. We don't have any errors. Okay, let's go back and switch back. So this will be our post widget. In the next video, we can maybe start with the comments or with the likes. We'll see what will come next. Maybe let's start with the comment screen, I think. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.